Hello YouTube, this is Mersky and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing. This is not going to be a haul kasi konti lang naman yung laman ng na-receive ko na package. So, but before that, let me just inform you that I'm really very happy and very excited to use this because yung original talaga nito, I actually bought a dupe of the original palette. So, I really wanted to get that palette, yung original, pero sobrang mahal niya. Tapos di ko pa afford kasi iba pa yung priorities ko for now. But hopefully, in the next few months, makukuha ko na yung, bibili ko na yung gusto kong palette. And, yeah, so this just arrived today. Today is June, ano ba ngayon? June 9. So, yeah. Binuksan ko na pala to kasi I'm really very excited kaya binuksan ko nito, pero ito yung package na na-receive ko from Shopee. And I'm really happy because this was actually shipped from China. It's a China brand, by the way. And this is actually very uso sa, what do you call this one? Sa YouTube. Kaya gusto ko din siyang matry kasi ano naman, affordable lang naman yung palette. So yeah, first is excuse me. First is by the way, nakarap pala siya dito. Tapos na-disappoint ako sa wrap kasi walang bubble wrap. This Sunset Dusk from Beauty Glazed. And this is actually also said to be a dupe of Natasha Denona's palette. So here it is. I will actually be doing a separate review for the two palette that I have here. So yeah. If you open this one up, you will see a plastic on top of it. And these are the shades. Guys, sobrang ganda. And I've actually swatched I've swatched the palette, and guys, pigmented siya. I tell you. But I'm going to do a separate review nga sa palette na to, and gagawa natin to ng look. And this guy, this one. Alam mo yung feeling na parang na-receive na rin yung original palette na gusto mo. Actually, matagal-tagal ko na talaga siyang gustong makuha, yung Jaclyn Hill palette. And like what I've said, hindi pa siya priority for now because marami pa akong, responsibilities. So, sinet aside ko muna. But I'm going to hopefully buy that one or receive sa may mga magaganda yung puso. Baka gusto nyo namang bigyan ako. Anyways, here it is. The Impressed You Beauty Glazed. Impressed You palette by Beauty Glazed. And, guys, ang ganda ng packaging. Parang pinag-isipan talaga. And today, so, as usual, mayroong plastic on top of it. And look at that. Ang ganda, guys. And they are both beauty glaze, so yung isa pigmented, so ito pigmented. So but I cannot say it's a dupe yet because I have not tried the Jaclyn Hill palette. But I've tried sa mga friends ko yung parang Morphe palette, but not the Jaclyn Hill one. And maganda siya, maganda yung the pigmentation, the color payoff, talagang I really do want to own one Morphe palette. But yeah, sana in the next few months magkaroon na ako. But anyways, that's it for now. Wala lang. Ginawan ko lang siya ng unboxing video kasi I wanted you to know that I'm really very excited to use these palettes. And excited akong gumawa ng look, anong mga look na magagawa natin. But for sure, sa palette na to, there are a lot of colors. So for sure, marami tayong magagawang what do you call this one? Magagawang look. Okay, so yeah, here it is. The packaging, guys. Hindi siya pucho-pucho. Alam mo yung pinag-isipan gayahin joke. Talagang hindi mo siya malalaman na parang affordable lang. And by the way, this is actually, I think, 205 pesos. So sa mga gustong magkaroon ng palette, you can have this one. And this is actually around 300, asan ba yun? 325 ata, 300 something. So, napamura ako sa, ay, mali ba ba yung words? Parang, basta, mas mura to sa ibang shop sa Shopee. And this is actually shipped from China. So, yeah, that's it. I think that's it. And, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and the unboxing video I did. This is just actually a short clip. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Ciao!